sexy, get it sexy, get it, hey! Yeah, 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 yeah!
Get mad at myself cause I can't leave you alone. Gossip and messages, that ain't what we doing. Yeah. Trapping around the world. Over the phone, dropping tears. I get more vulnerable when I do feel. When you drunk, you tell me exactly how you feel.
What's up, you guys? It's Hannah, and today y'all are gonna see my mini-series vlog of my trip to Puerto Rico. So yeah, I'm going with a couple friends. They're gonna be vlogging too, so I'll probably include a couple of clips if they make the cut. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. If y'all do, leave a thumbs up and comment down below if you've ever been out the country before and where. That's a good question. That's a good question. So yeah, let's get into it. What's up, you guys? We're in line at Cookout right now. Yes. Glasses? No glasses. Glasses? No glasses. Glasses? No glasses. Get it sexy with the bestie for the rest. Can I get... So boom, y'all, we made it to the hotel. This our view. Can't really see. It's not really a view, I'm not gonna lie. We just near the airport. But yeah, we made it. Taylor right here.
Hey, I'm doing homework.
Good school student, I'm saying.
What's up, YouTube gang? Back at it again with a
Another for ya.
motherfucker.
Huh?
So we in the store.
What's up, little gang? It's your girl Shay in the building.
The trip somewhat made it out the group chat. We're gonna check in tomorrow.
Yeah.
Okay.
I've been eating my cornbread, collard greens, and everything else.
It's currently 12:07. We leave at 4 a.m. But our hotel is right beside the airport, so we'll probably leave around like 4:30. Our flight leaves at 6:30, so we good. This is what they wanted me to video. Ooh. Ooh.
Looking at you, you was looking at me, and we was thinking, whoa, 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 whoa.
Y'all, we I'll see y'all tomorrow for our flight. Look at her, she trying to snuggle shit in. Anyways, y'all, we made it to the airport with through security. We finna get ready to board in a minute. Yeah, I'll check back in Tampa probably. It's been stressful. Yeah, peace. Jacket on and I got some leggings. Like what? It's hot as fuck. So boom, y'all, we're in the Tampa, Florida airport. We're waiting for our flight. It doesn't take off till like 1 or something, I don't know. Currently 10:51. So we got some time to burn. Chad, we finna record a video. Y'all finna watch us.
Florida is a clean area and not permitted.
Okay.
First part of the video done. Second part when we're at the beach.
I may never see you again. I hate when the summer ends, but it always would. You'd always be disappointed because you're insecure. Chasing things you thought you wanted, like you thought you could. Just get further away from it.
We made it to the airport. We're in Puerto Rico. But we here. I went for the pissy asses to get out the bathroom, and then we're gonna go get our baggage. So yeah. If y'all enjoying this video, give it a thumbs up. So far, it hasn't been eventful. but I promise the rest of the video will. No promises. Y'all, we kind of in the hood, I ain't gonna lie, but the B&B look nice. Like, wow. They trying to get the keys right now. They really need my help though. You said we need your help. Damn. Shit, we drinking $35 Tito's. I'm just buying. This is nice. Damn. Alright, chat. We finna go check out mine and Ellie room. Let's get in here quick so I can pick my room first. I'm childish, not gonna lie. They got this off Shein. We headed to go eat. I don't know where we're going. Play-Doh. Some Play-Doh's closet. No, it's something you play. Yeah. Anyways, y'all. So we in the Uber right now. We headed to go eat. Everybody gonna fit check. Yeah, we'll see a nice fast fit check. Right. It's hard to be in a car. Yeah, exactly. Hey, she hit that bitch though. Yeah.
Oh, that's over there.
It's fit for the day. We finna wax Taylor's legs, so y'all get to watch that. Get on.
That shit hurt now.
I got this breakout right here, so I put a little pimple patch on it. It'll be okay. So far, Puerto Rico been a vibe. It's been cool. We've had fun. But what I will say is the water is fucking cold, bro. Like, I've taken like 2 or 3 showers and all of them, it's been cold as fuck for no reason. Now we're finna do my edges and we're gonna be good. The toothbrushes never fail. When y'all doing y'all's edges, y'all literally just have to trust the process. Literally. We're in the Uber, we're headed to Walmart, and then we're gonna go to Old San Juan and eat and hang out, go to the beach. Yeah, I'm excited. Y'all check this shit out. It's like, what the world? I ain't never seen a Walmart like this, y'all. The fuck? This shit's steep, like, ooh, we in a Walmart right now. My shoes are hella loud. And yeah.
There, the people say it's bad place, but these people, all the streets in Puerto Rico don't permit nobody fuck with the tourists. So if you wanna go there, you don't have problems. Only don't use the cell phone.
Okay, these are calamari. We're gonna try it, chat. I don't like seafood, so we're gonna see how this goes. This is a chat. I'm gonna need another water bottle. We're just in Old San Juan right now. We're just by the place that we ate at. We didn't get to walk around much because we didn't really have time. But it's cool. You funny as hell. I ain't even see you. After we get done with that, then we're gonna get ready, go to Casa Bacardi, and yeah, we're gonna do our tour. So I'm gonna definitely vlog that. We might be a little drunk though, not gonna lie. My name is Hannah, and I think that Taylor gonna be the drunkest out of all of us after the tour. Who do you think is gonna be the drunkest after the tour?
Me. Nah, Ellie.
You think so?
Hell yeah.
Who do you think is gonna be the drunkest after the tour?
Taylor.
Taylor?
It's definitely Ellie.
Okay. Who you think gonna be the drunkest after the tour?
Tell.
Y'all pick me.
Yup.
It is.
I know that's right.
We're in the Uber. We're in the Uber. We're headed to Casa Bacardi. We finna do a mixology class. We're basically gonna learn how to make different drinks and stuff, so that's cool. And we get to drink them, so yeah.
We're gonna have a time in the Rico of the Porto.
Okay. But yeah, we'll see you when we get there. We made it to the Casa Bacardi tour. Hey, get these. Or one of these drinks right here. On the tour bus, we're waiting for our tour to start. Who the drunkest, Ellie?
I am drunk right now. And my phone.
I feel like it's Taylor.
Feel like it's Taylor? I ain't gonna lie, I'm turned, but I'm not as turned as Taylor is. But I honestly think
when I get
that it's either Taylor or Jermaine. Both of them are
Oh yeah, he pretty fucked up too.
Oh God, he turned. Taylor, who the turnedest out of all of us?
I don't know what the fucking time is. What the fucking you? Ain't no
Yeah.
bitch fucking with me and they, yeah. You better fucking duck, cause a bitch ain't playing.
Nah. What you saying?
Wait.
Bro.
What the f?
I like to drink with Hannah, cause Hannah is my best friend. I like to drink for Hannah, cause she gets me down at 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
See, it is sexy
Boy, you know this
and
ass.
super thick.
We're here. Turn the camera off. What's up, you guys? We are in this burger joint. I'm drunk as hell. Like, yeah, I'm drunk as fuck right now. But I'm gonna get a burger with lettuce and mayo and ketchup, and I'm gonna get sweet potato fries. Just in case I forget, like, calm down.
So far, I ain't gonna lie, I ain't gonna cap. If it's just a drink, that shit fire as fuck. Shit fire as hell. I might just be drunk though. So far, this trip been at 10 out of 10, I ain't gonna lie. We all turned right now. We in the parking lot right now. We waiting for our Uber. Tonight was fun. 10 out of 10 Bacardi trip. Okay, this shit was hurt. But yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. We in the car. We're like 30 minutes away from what's it called? The little boat tour. It goes snorkeling. All of it. So yeah. I might not have a lot of sound because I'm putting my phone in a waterproof case. So. We at the mini boat place. We waiting to check in. Here's a little stuff. My eyelashes too long.
What's up, you guys?
Good game.
We just got done with our snorkeling and stuff like that. I rated out of 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. It was definitely fun. I ain't gonna lie. Like, now we're headed to our ATVs. I was gonna put lashes on, but my glue is not working, and we're gonna be on ATVs and mud and shit anyway. So I was like, nah. But yeah, this is my outfit. Outfits. Yeah, we got a long drive. So boom, y'all, we still ATVing. We still, oh shit. Let me stay my ass over here because I'm too clumsy for this shit. I'm gonna fall into the water, y'all.
Right now, I made drinks. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10.
We're on the bus. We headed to the Rainforest tour. It's about an hour drive. And then yeah, I'll see y'all there. We made it. We got our life vest on. I got my camera on. We in there. We finna start, y'all. We got a 30-minute hike, and then we got some like water activities.
Hey, we're back. This is the Rainforest. That's Hannah.
How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody like you do. I can't.
Oh, check. It's hot as fuck out here.
What type of spiders y'all got out here? Spiders?
Oh, spiders? We have silverback spiders.
Silverback?
Which they grow about the size of my hand, and they look like they have little spikes on the back. As long as you don't bother them, they don't bother you. But if you do, they give a nasty bite where it's just gonna itch for a few days.
Oh, hell no!
Hannah, how's it going?
How's it going?
How's it going, Ellie?
Good. Easy.
How's it going?
Easy.
It's going. It's going.
I'm hot as fuck.
Nobody like you do. I can't lose without you. I can't just lose.
So check. We in the jungle. We're going through all of this stuff to get to where we need to go. Oh, shit's steep as hell. Woo. Shit. I'm tired, y'all. Y'all see this chick? I'm gonna put y'all up, cause
Hey guys, we're gonna get on the water slide. It's currently raining. Feels so good. Peace out.
hey, chat. We in the fucking rainforest, bro. Like, what? Shit crazy. It's raining. It's soaking wet.
Makes your skin softer.
Well, the tour has come to an end. What's your experience?
10 out of 10.
100 out of 10. Everything's fun. Yeah. She fell like, how many times?
I busted my ass a couple of times.
Hold on, let me show your side.
We're headed to go get some dinner. We're in the Uber. We're going to this little rooftop bar. These roads are so ass.
What's up, chat? Yeah, I'm pretty sure the food is gonna be fine, but I'm ready for the drinks. Yeah.
But yeah, we'll see you at the restaurant. We'll take pictures. If you want to see our pictures of our full outfits, you feel me, then hit that link below. Why aren't you doing it yet? So boom, y'all, we at the restaurant. We're waiting for our server. This is what I'm gonna get. Like some pasta. We got our drinks. And we got a little cheese dip. This is my food. Super fire. This Ellie food. That bitch stunning. We just got done eating. The food was fire. We finna go back to the house and stuff. And yeah, y'all got anything to say? How was the food experience?
Everything was 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
Bro, I'll
The
tell you,
experience 10 out of 10. I'm coming back. I'm coming back.
This trip was a success, I ain't gonna lie. Like, it was a pretty cool vibe down here. Yeah, but I'll see y'all at the house.